How's it going? I just got a box from Zen Market in Japan, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I actually forgot what it is. Some Ultraman stuff, maybe some shirts. I'm not really sure. Now that shipping is super expensive, and the tariffs and all the fees, this is probably going to be one of my last purchases from Japan, at least for a while. So, let's see what's in here. Okay. This looks like Ultraman Jack. With a removable Ultraman head. Another Ultraman Kaiju. I don't remember which one this is. I'll look it up and put it in the subtitles. Probably from Return of Ultraman. Those are pretty cool. Almost looks like Bemstar, but it's not. This is a big Bullmark order. I don't remember getting them, but I've been compiling this order for a while. God, I don't remember his name. I can't remember all the Kaiju's names. I wish I could. I'm going to put all the Kaiju names in the subtitles. Zazan? I don't remember. I have a terrible memory. Oh, this is cool. Shit, I bought a lot of Bullmark. I don't even remember. No idea which Kaiju this is, but it's cool. I like the paint job. Oh, M1. Oh, what the? I'm not sure what this is. I know that M1 makes a lot of the Kaiju on tricycles, and this kind of looks like one. I don't want to keep the bag, but whatever. Oh shit. Ultra 7 on a tricycle. Look at that. That's cool. A wind-up tricycle. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna put this up. Put this out somewhere. I don't display a lot of my Bullmark. I don't really have room for it. But this one is definitely gonna get displayed. And there's something else in there. Not sure what it is. Oh, what's this? Super small Bullmark? What the? I do not remember getting this. Nor do I remember it being this small. I'm going to keep it in the plastic for now. Looks like some lizard dude. Jeez, I didn't even know that Bullmark made him this small. That header tag looks a little bit weird. Anyway, oh! I bought this because of Anthem on the cover. The new Burn, one of the new Burn magazines. Actually, I don't think that's Anthem, and I forget the name of the band. Metal. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this video came out good and I'm framed in the actual picture. I just set up the camera without looking to see what it looked like, so whatever. So, see you later. Watch the rest of my videos. Or don't. Or I'll spur you with WD-40 and crazy glue.